Now we are going to circle the correlative conjunctions in the sentences that I will give you. Circle the correlative conjunctions circle the correlative conjunctions in these sentences. First one, either take it or leave it. Either take it or leave it. He is neither rich, neither rich nor poor. We both loved. We both loved and honored him. And honored him. We both loved honored him. Though he is poor, though he is poor, yet he is happy. Yet he is happy. He not only passed, but also won a scholarship. He was so tired that he could hardly walk. He had hardly reached the station, when it began to rain. When it began to rain. No sooner did the bell ring. Then the boys, ran ran out of their classes. Now, let's look at all these sentences here. And what we're going to do is circle the correlative conjunctions in these sentences. We're going to circle. And the first one we have is either take it or leave it. What's the meaning of correlative? Pairs, conjunctions used in pairs. There are two conjunctions here. So the first one is either. Either take it or leave it. So you'll have, every sentence will have two conjunctions. Every sentence will have one pair of conjunctions. He is neither rich nor poor. He is neither rich nor poor. Then, we both loved and honored him. We both loved and honored him. Next, though he is poor, though he is poor, yet he is happy. Okay? Next, he is not only but also. He is not only but also won a scholarship. Not only is one, but also as another conjunction. So he not only passed, but also won a scholarship. He was so tired that he could hardly walk. He was so tired, so that he could hardly walk. He had hardly reached the station when it began to rain. He had hardly. That's the first one, when it began to rain. And finally we have, no sooner did the bell ring than the boys ran out of their classes. Okay, no sooner. So no sooner. So the one is no sooner, and then you have than. In all these sentences, we have two conjunction, and we call that, when there is a pair of conjunction, we call it correlative conjunction. Either or, neither nor, both and, though yet, not only but also, so that, hardly when, sooner than. In all these sentences, we have used a pair of conjunctions, two conjunctions in a sentence. So we call that a correlative conjunction.